guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa. I'm here to show you the Monday mini kit that I put together, and this is the inspiration for this kit. I had to look at the inspiration and I just went for the word travel. So the four layouts that I'm going to create using this kit is a cruise that I took with my husband and our friends. We went to Ensenada, and that was our first cruise. So these are the products that I put together to create the layout. So to start off, we have the soft spoken. This is a Tuesday morning haul that I did, and there's a skew in the price. I'm not sure if it's still there. This is also another one, also from Tuesday morning. Another Tuesday morning haul. And then we have here an alphabet sticker, and I think I bought this. This is also available on Tuesday morning, but this particular one, I think I got this from Walmart. Another Tuesday morning haul, guys. So this is another sticker, alphabet sticker. And then we have here this sticker sheet. It's a value pack, and this one I think I got from Walmart. And then we have here a sticker sheet. This is the element sticker of Let's Cruise by Cartabella, and this is what it looks like. And we're going to use some of the stickers for embellishments. I have here, we are now on the papers, my favorite part. And you know, I do have a lot of papers here, so we're gonna go through them one by one. This is from Kaiser Craft, and this is from their Sea Breeze collection, and it's Lake. It is so pretty. I love it. I think I got this from Joann's. This is from the Let's Cruise collection that you saw. I just showed you the element stickers. So, and the back is this. And this is a double-sided. Another Let's Cruise. This is Pool Time, and this is the pool. And then of course we have the Bon Voyage. Again, a Let's Cruise paper, and that's what it looks like. I'm going to be using the back side of these papers. This is the paper I'm going to use, another Let's Cruise. And this one is a Cruise Voyage worksheet. Another Let's Cruise paper, Atlantic Ocean. And this is what it looks like at the back. And then this is the last one of our Let's Cruise paper collection papers that I'm putting together. And this is the destination tags. And this is what it looks like at the back. This one is from the Ahoy There paper. I hauled this last week, and I'll put the link up here from Tuesday morning. And this is a one-sided paper. So these are the shells. And this is another one. Here's another paper, all anchors. And then we have this too. We're using that, the flags, stripe paper, and the knots, I guess is what you call it. And this is another sheet of paper from that collection. I think it's called Ahoy There. There's another one, and this one. So those are the papers from that collection paper pad that we're going to use. And here's a navy rope, and this is a Recollections brand paper, and it's also one-sided. Another Recollections brand paper, anchors, and then the navy anchors again from Recollection. And then we have two American Crafts cardstocks here. There's going to be a lot of layers in the four layouts that I'm going to be creating here with you guys coming up soon in the next 2 weeks. And so yeah, so this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. And oh, by the way, before I forget, the best part about this inspiration is they did come up with sketches with layouts that we can follow. So what I'm going to do is choose 4 layout sketches on the inspiration, and I will show you which ones they are as I work on them. So that's it for now, guys. I appreciate you watching. This is pretty short video, but yeah, so keep an eye out on the next 4 uploads for the 4 layouts that we are going to create with this skit. That's it for now. I will catch you guys later. Bye.